Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lope from Stitchesbylope, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-to-step process of how to make this cute pearl bag. So let's get right into the video. In this video, the material needed is your pearl bead. We are going to be using size 14 today. We are going to need your 0.70 fishing line and your snap scissors. So we are going to start cutting our fishing line. First, we're going to do the base. We're going to start with 4, 2, 3, 4. With this, we want to make our desired length for the bag. We are still working on the base. You want to put one on each side, and you use one to cross it. So let's continue the process. So when you want to cross to the next layer, instead of putting one on each fishing line, you put 2, then use the last one to cross it with the last fishing line. Now that we've gotten to the top of the bead, we want to go to this second layer. You put 2 as well. 2 as well, and then you use the last one to cross it. And continue like that. Put 1 bead and use the second one to cross it. Put 1 bead. 1 bead again. And you use the second one to cross it. I want to make sure that our project is also firm, so that our bag comes out very sturdy. So we've come to the end of the base. We want to start building up the bag. So this is the base of the bag. I want to start building up. First, I want to put 2 beads. I'll use the last one to cross it. And put your fishing line in the next available bead. And use the last one to cross it. Putting the fishing line in the next available bead. And crossing it, I've started to form the box-like structure. So let's continue. So my fishing line has finished, and I would like to join another one. But first we have to tie this and then secure it so that the knot is not visible. So you see that we're already forming the box shape of the bag. So we'll cut another fishing line and then continue. So after we close this up, we'll move to the second layer of the bag. We are going to make about 5 or 6 layers for this bag. So when we close it, and then we close it. So now we'll continue to build it up. 1, 2, 3. So that's how we'll continue the process of the bag. So we are entering the fourth layer of the bag. So we have a box shape already. So we're going to build the bag as tall as you want it. So we are going to do 6 steps. So I'm going to finish the bag and then we'll come and work on the handle. Our big bag is ready. So I did a step of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. So now we are going to work on the handle. You can use different designs of handle. You can decide to make a very long handle and then use it as a cross bag, or you can turn it to a purse, or you can do handle by the side. So I'm going to show you 2 different types of handle. First, we are going to add this hardware handle to the bag. Then we are going to make a beaded handle, double handle. So first, let's do this. First, we want to open up our screw. This tool is called the chain opener. If you watched my video on types of bead and tools, you would see that I mentioned it. So I'm going to take our bag and set it into and then screw it back. So we basically transformed it to a beaded purse. So let's do the bead handle. So for our beaded handle, we want to start from the second bead and we'll pass the desired bead. So we just finished half of it. So you want to add a bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you want to do this. You want to cross it with the other side. With the last 2 beads, you want to cross it. So you want to tie so that you can secure the handle. So when you have tied, you want to secure the knots inside the bead. So we'll turn and repeat the same process. We use 20 beads, not 20 beads to this side. So just like the last time, I want to cross it again. So after we cross it, we pass our bead, our fishing line into the beads, and then we'll tie. After we've tied, we want to put our fishing line into the bead so that we can So our bead bag is ready with the beaded handle. So let me know, which one will you prefer, the beaded handle or the iron handle? So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. Have a nice week, guys. Bye.